Ariana Grande just announced 2 new shades for her collaboration with MAC Cosmetics. Ariana Grande looks pretty in pink in her new larger-than-life ad for MAC's Viva Glam campaign. Since taking over for Miley Cyrus as this year's Viva Glam spokesperson for MAC Cosmetics, Ariana Grande has already released 1 lipstick in a dark plum shade and 1 pink shimmery lip gloss. But that was back in January, and we've all since been anticipating the next release. Well, the wait is almost over because MAC announced on their Instagram that the newest shades with Ari's kiss of approval will be here soon. The newest campaign image features Ariana Grande as a real-life giant dressed head to toe in pink, complete with an oversized pink bow, of course. MAC also reminded us that all proceeds go to the MAC AIDS Fund, which supports men, women, and children affected by HIV and AIDS. But we still hadn't gotten a release date until Ari herself took to her Snapchat to reveal the shades and give us what we were asking for. In her snap, we see both the yet-to-be-released lipstick and gloss that are much lighter than her previous release, with a caption that reads, 100% of the proceeds go to #MacAIDSFund. Add them to your collection September. So it looks like we have to wait a couple more months until we can rock pink lips like Ariana Grande, but in the meantime, I want to hear from all of you. What do you think of the newest Viva Glam shades? Share all your thoughts in the comments section below, and then you can click right over here to check out what we think is the best Ariana Grande music video on Debatable. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me here on Clevver News. I'm your host, Shay Jeffries, and I'll see you guys soon. Click left to see the sexiest supermodel style on Dirty Laundry, or click right to check out the ladies' attempt to make their own lipstick on a brand new episode of Beauty Trippin'.